So our whole team was a little bit apprehensive about going into StratOps. We've been in business for almost 20 years, so the idea of bringing somebody else in from the outside to ask us questions or tell us how to run things was a little bit, I don't know, just kind of, we were all a little bit apprehensive about it. And so we didn't quite know what to expect, even though I'd kind of heard going into it what the plan was. And as an owner, you know, it was interesting to have somebody else come in and question even me, but we really needed that. We're at a point now in business where we've been around for a long time, but we also have really significant goals about where we want to go. Tom did a great job of helping facilitate our team and not just teach and mentor us, but actually draw out from our team what was already inside of us and helping us really put together an actionable plan, not just during the 2-day intensive, but also going in after that.
The best part about StratOps for me personally was just being able to have an unbiased person come in and just take all of our ideas and have them funnel through him so that we can actually create a plan that's achievable, something that actually makes sense for our company. Because I think too often we have too many cooks in the kitchen and we have so many ideas running around that we don't really know where's the first step, like where do we start? And I definitely think the StratOps process helped us identify a starting point and then how to carry through and actually achieve something.
One of the best things that I was able to take away from StratOps was finally being able to collectively get down on paper what we had micro conversations about within the business before. So getting everybody on the same page, having some really good win initiatives, and understanding the processes that we needed to follow in order to reach some of our goals.
One of the best things about StratOps is not just the 2-day event, but also the accountability past that. I think as a team, it's really big to not only learn more about ourselves, but also the follow-up and being able to implement that. Because I think a lot of times as a team, we get caught up in our own business and the day-to-day activities that we need to have. But it's really nice to have someone there to make sure that we're getting the things that we said we were going to do done. And so that follow-up through the next year, I think, is my biggest takeaway and the part that I enjoy the most about StratOps.
It's not just showing up and getting motivated for a couple days or having a few ideas, but StratOps is really all about putting together a plan that can be implemented and executed over the next 6 to 12 months. And that's what I'm most excited about as the owner of the company.